Joyful Thursday, everyone. It's July 18, 2024, and it's a beautiful Thursday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating doon sa buhay natin. Siyempre, ang mga kasama nito mga pagsubok, challenges, and trials, which makes our life wonderful, challenging, and exciting. At siyempre, doon sa mga tao tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga tao nakikimarites din po doon sa paligid natin, salamatan natin sila. Shoutout doon kay Glenda, kay Glenn Snow, kay Pucci, kay Magic Rain, kay Cecil Boris, kay Mama Lu, Luis and Susens, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Melody Acosta, J.M. Pangilinan, Ruby Cortez, Jima David, Inday Araso, Elizabeth Ibarra, Heidi Villamero, Graciel, Rachel Pastolero, kay Eds at kay Risa My Love. At sa lahat ng technician and staff of Crossling Iligan, Lanao del Norte, Osamis, Zamboanga, and Davao. Peoples of the day natin po is love and relationships are often tested by money, material things, or success. Whether you have much of it, less of it, or just enough of it will often determine if the relationship will last forever or just a day. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Thursday, everyone.